Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and today's video is going to be my Christmas home tour for 2024. I quickly wanted to start off with just a little bit of outdoor decor. We recently were gifted this beautiful 10-foot ornament arch from COSTWAY, and I love working with COSTWAY. I love their website. It's full of amazing stuff for your home, and this is just such a beautiful piece. It is so grand and elegant. I love the warm twinkling lights that look really nice with our classic white lights that we use. It looks good from the back. Here's a back view, but I did want to let you guys know that we like to secure ours with some rebar that we just pick up from the home improvement store, just to make sure that it's extra secure and it doesn't blow away in the wind. So if you guys are interested in shopping for this or other awesome items for your home, COSTWAY is linked down below, as well as a coupon code. And thank you so much, COSTWAY, for sending me that beautiful arch. We do have two Christmas trees, but this one in our living room is our main Christmas tree, and it has a very classic, but I think elegant, nostalgic feel to it this year. I don't have anything new on this tree with the exception of one gifted ornament. My husband gives me an ornament for my birthday each year. He gave me that Santa, and here's a few of the other ones that I've collected over the past 10 years together. So that's mostly what's on this tree, as well as vintage ornaments, and of course my cardinals, which represent my dad, who passed away several years ago. So I love the tree this year. I think it is beautiful, and the rest of the room is fairly casual, I would say. I think I focus more on statement areas like this fireplace, and I love how this came together. I did mismatched flannel ribbons and velvet ribbons. I love the cozy kind of collected look. And this year I have these beautiful starburst lights that I got from Anthropologie. I think they look stunning in my garland. Now in my kitchen, I'm displaying probably my most precious Christmas collection, which are my German wooden pieces. I have nutcrackers, I have smokers, which are incense burners, and a couple pyramids, which some people would probably call carousels. But I love these. I collect one or two each year, and I love having them all displayed together on my open shelving in my kitchen. I don't have a ton of room for a coffee bar, but I have just this little coffee station right here. I think it looks really cute, and I am displaying this new towel here with this little dog on it, which represents our new puppy Winnie. I wanted to introduce you guys to her. She is so sweet. She started out as a foster. She is a rescue pup, but we ended up adopting her, and Chip and Dory are getting used to her. It's been a little bit of an adjustment, but it's been really fun to have three and a new puppy in the house. And I did also get a towel that represents Chip and Dory as well. This is the 12 Dogs of Christmas, and number 7 is a Scottish Terrier, and the first dog is actually a rescue dog, which Dory's a rescue as well. So that kind of covers all of my babies with my towels. And yeah, so the rest of the kitchen is very similar to how I do it each year. I always have fruit out. It's just something that my parents decorated with when I was a kid, and nuts, so I always have that out. This year I have mixed nuts. I usually just do walnuts, so I wanted to show you guys those. And I've been doing a lot of baking. I got a new stand mixer from Kohl's on Black Friday. It was a cheapy one. It was only $30, and I put a bow on it because it is kind of like a Christmas gift to myself. And I did bake cookies this evening, so that's why there's butter out. The last room that I have to share with you guys is our dining room, and you may remember this dresser from my last home tour. It's a vintage piece that I rescued off of the side of the road, and I've just kind of been using it to hold our nicer tequilas. And our tablescape is so pretty, I think. I actually did a very similar tablescape years ago with Dollar Tree cylinder vases, and I loved it so much I decided to recreate it, but I found these fluted cylinder vases on Amazon, and I had to have them. They're a little bit pricier than Dollar Tree, of course, but they are so pretty, and I filled them with fresh cranberries and floating candles, and I just think it's such a stunning look. For our buffet, this is the same, I think, as I had it for fall. I just added a bow to my vintage duck decoy, and then of course swapped out the greenery in the vase, and it was really easy to transition this from fall to Christmas. As I mentioned, in the living room, we do have two trees, so this is our second tree. And this one I call like our family nostalgic vintage tree. This tree has a lot of keepsake style ornaments. There's a lot of vintage ornaments on here as well. Ornaments that have been gifted to us by you guys, our family and our friends, or ones that we've picked up to signify something special from the year or just something that we really liked. I also put my vintage Christmas postcards on this tree, and I added big red kind of vintagey lights as well as twinkling lights. I really wanted this to have that nostalgic, just classic Christmas feel, that feeling that I'm constantly chasing after now in my adulthood. That reminds me of being a kid. So I love this tree. It is so, so special to me. This is my favorite tree of the two. Don't tell the other one. And yeah, so I love to have it in the dining room because I do host Christmas Day and dinner at my house, and I love to sit in front of it while I'm sitting down with my family for a meal. So that basically concludes my Christmas 2024 home tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and got some inspiration for this year if you're still working on your decor, or maybe next year. I know this video came out a little bit late. We just have been busy with the puppy and life and all good things. So I want to say thank you for your support this year. I will be posting again in the new year, so hopefully I will catch you guys then. I love you, my pumpkin people, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.